Let's check in now with Mike Patton, head trader at Funder Trading for the final trade of the day. Hope you're doing well there, Mike. You have an airline stock on your radar today. What can you tell us?
I have SNCY, Sun Country Airlines Holdings. This is a smaller company. They are based out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. They have about 2,800 employees, obviously in the transportation industry. And right now the stock's trading around $16.40 a share, but I do think we're close to a good buying opportunity. In fact, right now it looks pretty good as it is. So looking at this stock, we have some pretty decent upside. Right now, I'm looking at it getting to somewhere around $19.70 a share. That should be in the next 6 months or less, probably less. And the only thing we do have to consider is they have earnings coming up in 19 days. So with that in mind, the best option to do would be to do a vertical option spread, like a call spread. But after that earnings, they're coming out on the 29th of January. We could also look at the stock at that time. So I don't recommend buying the stock now because earnings could go the wrong way. Options would be better because it will protect your downside. But other than that, looking for it to go up to about 1971. But as far as risk is concerned, if the stock is trading down to about $15 or lower per share, I would say that's probably good evidence that it's time to get out. So I will watch 15 to 14.50, somewhere in that range very closely. If it starts to move down to there in the near term, that's probably a bad sign. But after that point, if earnings come out pretty well, then of course we could see the stock move up a lot faster. So we'll see what happens.
What about the airline sector in general? Those stocks are taking flight after Delta reported that strong profit.
We're trying to buy in at times where the prices are lower. So I would say that opportunity probably was about a month ago. At this stage, probably we don't have as much upside potential, but we'll see. So I would keep an eye on Delta. Delta looks like it's probably getting close to where I would want it to be. It's not there now, but it may be within maybe a few weeks or so. So that's the only one I could say to keep an eye on.
Thank you for your Trader Talk, Mike.
Thank you.